Hi everyone! So, today I'll be opening yung second item na nabili ko from Toycon last December 13 or no, 14 na yun. So, there was a previous video where in-unbox ko or in-open ko yung first haul ko, which is ito. Diba? It's super cutie. Yan. And nagagalaw yung ano nila, both actually yung arms and yung legs niya, pati pala yung tail niya. And then, yung hat niya and yung dress niya was from a friend na nasa same boat sila nung pinagbilhan ko nung cat. So, ito yung first na inopen ko do sa previous video. And today, I would like to um, dedicate this video dun sa highlight ng Toycon experience ko for 2025 na December. So, this is it, guys. As you can see, yung name niya is Namu. It's a Korean branded na doll. So, for those who doesn't know, there's this doll line na ang tawag sa kanila is Taeyang, like Taeyang from BTS, but not him, but yun yung pangalan nung line ng doll. Like for example, Barbie. Yun ganon. Ang tawag sa kanya Taeyang. Siya yung male counterpart ng Pulip, which is another Korean doll brand. So, just to give you a brief history, si Namo, siya yung first na line before the Taeyang. So, kumbaga, ano na siya, lolo, and very rare na. Before we do the unboxing, I'll show you yung sinasabi sa inyong Taeyang. So, this is the Taeyang na, ito na itsura niya. Ito na yung mas modern. Ayan, 'di ba? Mas modern na yung itsura niya. Yan. So, ito siya. And then again, I got this from from a friend na nag-booth sa Toycon. I'm very excited about this simply because again, it's the lolo of this doll line collection. I always wanted to have a Namu, but um first off, nung time na nag-start ako, limited lang kasi yung resources that time. So I only have Green Hills, meron dong doll shop before na wala na siya ngayon. They closed already. And then, basta, may nagbebenta man ng Namu. I think it's the rip-off na kasi. I got this doll for a very, very cheap price. And you know why binigay sa akin to ng ganong presyo? I won't mention the price because that price was offered to me simply because um, the seller felt like I will take care of him. Why? Kasi nga, ito yung line of doll na kinokollect ko. And doon sa may mga kilala sa akin sa doll world, they know na ito talaga yung pinagsimulan ko. Hindi lang kita kasi dito sa shelf ko. But sa likod niyan, may mga boxes dyan. And sila yung line ng doll na to. Yung sa girls pool, and then again sa boys, Teyang. So, here we go. Luma na siya, but I love the feel, I love the story, kung ano man yung pinanggalingan ng doll na to, I don't mind. One thing is for sure, I'll definitely take care of him. My God. Super, 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 super happy ako right now. Kasi, again, I always wanted to have one. Okay, so, meron tayong parang, I don't know what's this. I think this is from a Pulip. So, parang ano siya, siguro, hat siya. Ayan, hat siya. And then, Oh, sa kanya pala. So, he is supposed to be a wolf. So, yon, si Namu, Philip's boyfriend. But Namu is now known as Taeyang. Ito siya. Tignan nyo, ang luma na ng picture, yung photo card niya, diba? And, the moment that I have been waiting for this, and I really wanted to do this with you all. Okay. So, magulo yung hair niya pa. So, I'm so sorry. But here he is. And sign of aging, nag-yellow na yung material niya. I can definitely see na he has been through a lot because of the condition. But again, I love him as he is. I'll definitely do a deep clean. Yan. But I super, 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 super love him. Yan. Thank you so much, Arlan, if you are watching. Um, super appreciate what you did for me, for letting me have him. Super, super. So, again, this is the mas modern na type. This is Taeyang. Mas kilala na siya as Taeyang right now. And this is Namu, which is the lolo, the kumbaga founder. The founder, siya talagang nagsimula ng lahat, si Namu. Oh my God. Oh my God. I really, really, really love this doll line. Ayan. Gosh. Look, tingnan nyo yung difference nung, I mean, definitely, same material naman yung ginamit dito, but yung condition. So, si Namu, I am sure na marami na siyang pinagdaanan. I don't know kung kanino siya talaga originally, but once, pero, what's important right now is nasa akin na siya. Ayan. Um, this doll line is also known to have eye mechanism sa likod nila. And then, ano ba yung ginagawa niya? So, they can blink. Pwede mo i-close your eyes nila. Yan. And then, pwede mo siyang i-move sideways. There you go. Right. So, what I got from Toycon, ito siya. So, again, this doll Namu. And then, this little girl. Yan. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.